Over the years, many have come up with some pretty creative ways to clean carburetors during service. We want to touch on a few areas of carb cleaning that may make the process easier and of course provide more confidence in the repair, fixing the issue with the carburetor once and for all. Before the carburetor even comes off the engine, it is important to clean any debris or buildup on the carb body off before removing it. This helps by reducing the chance of debris getting in the intake manifold and really helps with the teardown process of the carb, since you will be able to access components easier and you won't be second guessing if the debris came from the outside or from inside the carburetor once apart. Simply taking compressed air to the body is all that's really needed to be done here. When disassembling the carburetor, it's good practice to take it apart on some white towels to give contrast to debris or on a paper plate. In the example we have here, an old fiberglass lunch tray with rolled edges works well for keeping small parts from rolling off the work surface and also helps contain any spilt gasoline. On twin-barrel carburetors found on V-twin engines, the jetting from left to right is different. There are no rules to say with confidence that the smaller jet always ends up on the left and the larger on the right side. It really pays to orientate your parts and split them left to right with these carbs. If the jetting gets mismatched, it will make the engine run poorly and you will be chasing your tail trying to nail down why. As far as cleaning the carburetor parts, there are many options today. The most popular these days are ultrasonic cleaners. These devices use sound waves through a liquid to erode away dirt and blast open carb passageways. The cleaning solution you use, how hot the liquid gets, and the orientation of the parts in the tub will all affect the level of cleanliness of the parts. Typically, an all-purpose cleaner mixed 50-50 with water and using the heating function of the cleaner is more than adequate. Other methods of cleaning often include carbon choke cleaners. These solvents work great, but you will need to take great care to not get the solvent in contact with foam or rubber parts on the carb. The acetone-based solvents will attack these items and cause them to swell. It's always a good idea to rinse the parts with water to deactivate the solvent and blow them off with compressed air afterwards. The absolutely critical areas to clean manually after the parts have been cleaned in general is the jetting and the small holes in the main nozzle. Using a toothpick is a great tool for polishing the center of the jets without removing material, and also using commercially available carburetor jet cleaning wires. Do not use anything that removes material. That means no torch tip cleaners and no jeweler's drill bits. The wise tale exists that these engines run lean because of emissions and that the jets need to be opened up a little to make it run good. That couldn't be further from the truth. The carb jetting is very precise and any alteration will make the engine run poorly.